All the members got the agenda and notes in time. We have two agenda items. The first agenda, buying aircraft or taking aircraft from lease. The second one, being a premium brand, should be acquired a low-cost airline, upcoming threat to market shares. Now I request the CEO of the company to brief the proposals to the members and immediately.
Regarding the buying of aircraft, we have worked out and got two opinions from independent agency, and they have suggested that leasing of aircraft is much workable. There will not be much of investment initially. Not only that, the DGCA is encouraging leasing, and our present government is also in the same policy, so that we have taken the opinion given by E&Y for discussion to be held today regarding leasing of aircraft.
We are told and
Presently,
take as permission to tell to the board that going for a leasing is at any given time is the best option, because owning sometimes gets into a lot of OEM related issues in terms of getting spares and the aircrafts on time. So in terms of leasing, while we have a proper AMCs in place, we always get the service on call, and the cash outflow is also very properly kind of planned out. And we don't have to own and then end up it with the measure with a lot of things. So from the operational point of view, we are quite in sync with our MD that leasing is the best option, and then we also worked out operationally that it is
Cost involved for buying a new aircraft and leasing it.
Yeah.
And how many years are you leasing?
leasing,
With buying, I want to see the difference. If you're going to lease it, how many years and what is the cost involved? With the bank support, you may have a borrowing limits.
see,
And we expect there is going to be, and with the train fares being as high as what it is, there is going to be a lot of middle class coming into flight, which we have seen in the past few years, and it's only going to go up. The question is, should we have to wait for the market to start and then start preparing ourselves, or we prepare ourselves a little early and catch the market as an early mover?
So these aircrafts, we expect also that the specialists who require to service will also come along with this lease arrangement. Whereas we have scored the market here in India for the experts who can service the kind of engineering talent. We are really finding some shortage in that aspect. So we may not be able to scale up quickly on that. So in a way, it is advantageous for us to take this lease arrangement, while in the meantime we build our expertise for the long term.
Few points on this. From the bank's perspective, I would like to know, there will be some deposit to be placed in the leasing of the aircraft. Before leasing, it's not just that you get the aircraft and then you start flying it. You have to pay some deposits. And those deposits which you pay them, I don't know whether you are going to come to the bank for financing it. Because if you are coming to the bank for financing it, we may require some collateral, because it's unsecured. But if the company is having their own resources, internal resources, then we can think about it.
As part of research, and it is clearly that is evident from the HR perspective also. We have adequate service and space available in India when we are going with Boeing. Otherwise, as the CEO mentioned, otherwise we could have gone for other thing. Adequate research has been done in the supply of spares and availability of service centers in Delhi and Bombay. So that is the reason from our department we have suggested for going for the lease itself.
I don't see a reason as to why the promoter directors and plus whoever is in the board cannot give personal guarantee in this situation. So So that will give a lot of confidence to the market and to the banker also to lend more money.
Actually, the promoter directors actually present shareholding is around 20%, 23%. But the entire operations, it may not be really fair to ask the promoter directors ask for that.
But
And
that can
as part
send a
of
very
the-
strong signal to
the
the
maximum,
market.
I think they have already agreed for bringing this 20% margin money from the group companies. It will be channelized for paying the deposit to the banker for opening.
I would agree with your argument on going in for a leasing instead of an outright purchase. But given the financials of the company, and as you rightly pointed out that not more than 2 or 3 people are going to survive in this, it would send a very strong signal to the market that the company is in safe hands. If the promoter plus everybody on the board can give a personal guarantee.
DSCR will not change just by giving directors personal guarantee.
Further, I would like to add, what is the market conditions for that? Which are the sectors you are going to fly? So that what is the present quotient requirement those sectors? Whether the government is willing to give you these sectors? Certain details are required before the bank can finally agree to your.
We have already worked out, sir, we'll be giving.
And
Yeah, we
regarding
have
the-
already, we have applied for DGCA, certain sector in Northeast, where nobody is flying the aircraft.
Specific survey
So
has been
this
made.
facility will be definitely approved because the government is of the opinion, Northeast has to be improvised. So we are confident that we will be getting that
At
sector.
this stage was, as a business model, there is profit there, but scale is extremely important. Now, when scale becomes an important, how do we get there with what we have today? So collectively, we are all state committed to at this level, and we have to increase our scale to both of us to unlock our value out of this engagement. So in this game, at this point, you don't try and get your scale right, you're going to give guarantee. I think so we should try this out and make a call maybe in the next meeting, if this is not moving well, then we'll give extra commitment for you to see that how you can protect. You are talking about risk basically here. You want to cover yourself.
The risk has to be covered.
Yeah, but this decision is not going to be risky for you. When it will be risky is when I ask you to move in money primarily for buying the aircraft. That's a much larger risk. So at that stage, maybe this discussion, for us will be, you can wait for, having waited so long, I think so you give us this opportunity to find out, test the market better, and the next meeting we can make that.
I suppose the government is a huge opportunity, like most of my colleagues were saying. Leasing or buying, leasing is a less expensive proposition, like my CFO was saying that we don't have the financial muscle as of now. So let's take a cautious step, first step in the right direction, like my CEO was saying. We still aren't clear about the routes on which the availability of
Colleague said I agree with the leasing because it's not only done by the promoter as well, because there is an independent body, EY, who has done the very good feasibility that was already just discussed with it. So I think that while checking into both options, since we don't have the equity to buy an airline, it is the best option to see whether we can hire and do this as, because Kingfisher being a very reputable airline, we don't think that acquiring a smaller airline will work out.
Coming correct to the market share. And now we request the CEO to brief the board in detail.
Yes. As I have already told you, the sector which DGCA is going to allow to us will be Northeast. It is highly terrain area and only low cost airlines will be viable for us as far as profitability is concerned, because the altitude we cannot go high. The distance between one terminal and the other terminal is only 45 minutes to 1.5 hours maximum.
For financials, we were debating this. I was equally keen to know that, where am I going to get the money? We see a lot of disruption in the market. Internet has driven your price crazy. Everybody, irrespective of his level, he goes to make my trip and then see which is the fare, and he goes to the lowest fare, because the maximum travel in India is 2 hours, maximum. Okay, so it's not like US where you have a 6-hour travel where a premium seat gives you a differentiation. It's not going to do that. So we felt that low cost is the way which is going to happen. That's the future going to be. Now, is my brand really giving me great advantage maybe it started with that, with all the differentiation I did in terms of my air hostess, but the customer's perceived value is he needs to be, it should be punctual, and he's not even keen on having food or drinks or anything, but it should be clean and tidy.
Eco-friendly, more of a environment supportive, 15% energy efficient. Then we have a high product flexibility. We can go for any type of bottles with the different shapes, size. So this machine gives a lot of flexibility in the
Have
production
you ever
planning.
made a survey that wherever is your niche market, whether this is going to absorb these 300 bottles, number one. Number two, the capex is 15 crores. How you are going to service that term loan for these 15 crores? Have you analyzed, made a survey, cost benefit analysis, that what is going to be the inflow, what is going to be the outflow? That is required.
Bank official, what happens, already they are given the based on the past historical information, the records what they have maintained it, and the borrowing capacity, everything they made it in a proper way. So initially the bank has fixed up us up to an extent of 15, the capex. After a span of 1 year, by looking into the market study, and then the bank may be able to provide a lot of fruitful information for the benefit
No,
of the
that
organization.
will, and the second thing I think that you should also
Director raised was, why a new machine? Why not 3 shifts? The existing machine is quite old. The wear and tear is very high, and there could be frequent breakdowns. It may even lead to a situation where the maintenance cost may go sky high. We may also have disrupted supplies. The option of going in for a new machine is not only to cater to the market, it's a long-term strategy also of taking care of the
Same
present market
quality
also.
at a lesser cost?
Yes.
Yes.
We have done. There is an Indian equivalent that we can make and upgrade this, which will be costing only 5 crore. There is another one which is costing only 3 crore. So it will sound very, that is from China. Both have been evaluated against this, but as per the new regulations, it is necessary that we should have food safety compliance, which will not be taken care of by both these machines. So beyond this, beyond the environment and production and capacity, we have our commitment to the people and health of the people and legal compliance. For that, these are necessary. That is the reason, even though this is a little priced higher than this, we are from the research department, we are recommended for Swiss.